Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, welcome to the Power BI training. So, we are going to be learning not only Power BI, we are going to learn a lot of other skills. So, we are going to be learning a lot of business intelligence and data engineering and as well as reporting in ETL. Lot of things we're going to be covering, guys, and this will be very important for you to get into IT industry. Clear? So without learning, lot of other skills. If you learn only Power BI, there is no use at all. Clear? So Raghav, definitely we will give you the time afterwards. No problem at all. Is it okay? That's fine, Raghav. Very good. So we have to learn a lot of other things. And so the first question is that. So what is that you're going to be learning here? And what is that you have to learn? That is also very important. So Power BI is very good reporting tool. But if you learn only Power BI, that is not enough. So this is a purely reporting tool. We are going to be understanding today and tomorrow, day after tomorrow. We have totally 3 demos for free. You must attend 3 demos to understand completely what is data, what is business intelligence, what is data analytics, what is the data warehousing, what is the data engineering, what is the data pipeline. So we are going to be understand what is the data science, artificial intelligence, all these things we are going to be understanding one by one. But if you learn only Power BI, is that sufficient? The answer is no, right? So you have to learn combination of the tools. Compulsorily, people who are learning Power BI, they should also have very good knowledge of SQL Server, or it is also called as RDBMS software, or it is also called as simply SQL knowledge or database management system. So all these are synonyms. Clear? So people who are learning Power BI, only Power BI is not sufficient. You have to compulsorily learn what? SQL Server, and you have to parallelly undergoing for the Power BI. Clear? So Power BI will be for 45 days, even SQL Server 45 days, and we don't have any live classes for this. Okay? No live classes. If you wanted to take, you can buy videos and practice them, and without a SQL in depth of knowledge and cracking Power BI is very difficult. Okay, so what to learn I'm talking about. So learning Power BI is good, but learning Power BI will also take 45 days of time. Clear? So these are live classes. So daily 1 hour will be there, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. as of now. These timings will change after 1 month, but as of now, it will be like this. Clear? So you have to remember only Power BI is not sufficient. So you need to learn compulsorily what? SQL Server. SQL Server has two concepts. What is that? It will be having SQL concept plus it will be having TSQL concepts. There are two things that you need to learn. So this will be a basic stuff you will be learning, and this is where we are going to be talking about advanced stuff. So these videos you have to buy videos from goonlinetrainings.com, and compulsorily daily you need to watch videos and take the notes. You will be able to get total 45 videos. So each video is for 1 hour. So you need to watch at least 10-15 minutes, watch the video and take the notes again. If you're getting bored, stop it again, come in the evening, watch for another 15 minutes and take the notes. Like that we can completely schedule like this and watch the 1 hour video. All the videos are completely self-explanatory and very easy. Any non-IT people also can understand. If you're coming from botany, zoology background, if you're coming from mechanical background, if you're coming from completely new to the IT field, you don't know what is SQL, you don't know what is a TSQL, you don't know anything about computers. For them, it is available, and this is available in two languages. You can buy SQL Server videos, okay, So you can serve SQL Server videos either in Telugu language you can have. So this is our local language, or you can buy the videos in English language, but the complete notes will be given in the English. Am I clear? So all the videos will be given, and compulsorily from day one onwards, you need to watch one video by one video, and how to watch and how to take the notes I have given. And without this knowledge, you will not be able to survive into the Power BI. When you go to the Power BI interview, 60% of the interview questions are going to come from the SQL Server. If you have any question in the SQL Server, next day when you join Power BI class, live class, you will be able to ask the question, and you will be able to share the screen. Am I clear? So this is one thing you should be able to go get it. And apart from that, daily live classes are going to start from today. So these are parallel. So these are live classes, and you need to go and attend these classes in the evening. So only these are videos. Clear? So if you have learnt already elsewhere SQL basics, that is not sufficient, because whatever be the videos you may be having from Udemy, you may be having from elsewhere, the content will not be very depth. The content will not be very depth. You will definitely face a lot of issues when you buy those kind of a videos, or when you follow those videos. I strongly recommend I strongly recommend that you have to follow, our SQL Server stuff, because we have completely having very basic level to very advanced level of knowledge of SQL. Without SQL, you will not be able to go into IT. Why? I will tell you. So, IT stands for IT industry means what? IT industry means I stands for information. I stands for information, right? So when you say I for information, how do you get the information? Now you tell me, how do you get the information? To get the information, we need to have the data. So using data, you will be able to get the information. So how do you store the data? How do you deal with the data in the IT industry means? So IT industry is going to be using what is called SQL to deal with the data. Remember, clear. So IT industry, I stands for information, but how do you derive the information? To derive the information, what is the raw material you need to supply? You have to supply data to the IT industry. Clear? So the raw material which we're going to use, that is what is called data. But how do you store the data? How to deal with the data? How to manage the data? How to update the data? How to do with the data means data. If you want to manage or store, there is a programming called SQL, or there is a software called SQL, or people will be calling this as a SQL, or people completely say DBMS, or some people will say RDBMS. Am I clear? So this is what you're going to be using. So if you wanted to get the data and convert into the information, first you need to get the data stored somewhere. If you wanted to convert into information, that is where we are going to be using a languages. Clear? You take the data, you give it, you pump the data. So pump the data to whom? Pump the data to languages. Pump the data to the languages like C, C++, right? You have Java, or you have Android, right? Or you have anything I'm talking about. You think about Angular JS, whatever you know it. So all these things are going to be taking data. These people are going to be taking the data, but data will be stored where? Data will be stored in SQL or DBMS or RDBMS, and all these people will take the data, convert into information. Clear? So remember, without I for information, so information can be derived from the data. So without knowing data, without knowing SQL, definitely you cannot get into IT industry. Tomorrow, you wanted to work for SAP, you wanted to work for Java, you wanted to work for .NET, you wanted to work for X or Y or Z. Compulsorily, people who wanted to come into IT industry, they have to learn SQL, because IT industry takes data into information. To convert the data, To store the data, we are going to be using SQL. So you take the data from SQL, then you pump the data into the language. So these languages will convert data into information. Am I clear? So compulsorily people who are learning languages or you're learning any other software in the IT industry means compulsorily the prerequisite or eligibility for the IT industry is SQL. You learn any course, you learn SQL course, they will be teaching you SQL. You learn Power BI, you learn any course in the IT industry, compulsorily you have to know what is the prerequisite for eligibility for for IT industry, SQL. Am I clear? So this is very, very important. Everybody has to know about this. Am I clear? So we need to learn all the languages also. These are the languages for other people to learn. But you have to learn what? Only SQL. Am I clear? So Manoj, you should not learn C, C++, Java, .NET, all of them. There are thousands of languages. So that is not. We have to learn what? Only SQL. So Microsoft is going to be dealing with SQL software. The software is called SQL Server. So this is the one you have to learn without fail. Am I clear? So to learn Power BI, what is the eligibility? People may ask, okay, sir, I wanted to get into Power BI. What is the eligibility? Eligibility. So nothing actual. Eligibility means you should be a graduate. That's it. You should be a graduate from any discipline, any year passed out. Okay. Any year passed out. So there is no problem at all. So, and you can do any graduation, BA, BCom, BSc, MSc, BCA, BTech, MTech, any graduation you can have it. Simply, you will be able to go into the Power BI. To learn Power BI, is there any prerequisite? The answer is no. To learn Power BI, you need not know nothing. You need not know Excel. You need not know SQL. You need not know RDBMS. Nothing is required to learn Power BI, right? So what is the prerequisite to learn Power BI means nothing. So simply I will say, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can learn Power BI. Power BI is very, very easy software. To learn Power BI, what is that you should know? Nothing. So, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you can easily learn Power BI. But why are we learning SQL Server then? Because tomorrow if you wanted to attend interview, if you wanted to get a job in the IT company means compulsorily they will ask you, hey, you need Power BI, you need SQL Server. Definitely, you will be able to get much more questions from the SQL Server language. Remember, you have to learn this properly. Am I clear? To crack the interviews, we have to learn SQL Server, but definitely to understand Power BI, you need not know anything. Nothing is needed. I'm telling you, nothing is needed. So even first time, people attending IT courses, they need not worry about anything. Any year graduate passed out, any discipline, BA, BCom, BSc, MCom, MPharm, even journalism, any course you do it, but even a graduate now, IT industry can take you. I had lot of people, 2005 BA passed out, 2008 BCom passed out, open university degrees. They don't have even intermediate, they don't have plus 2. 10th class, 10th standard, then open university degrees. One guy, Chari from Vishakhapatnam, he got 4 offer letters, open university degree, and is from February batch. He got 4 offer letters. He joined with Cognizant of 14 lakhs of salary package. And people are from 2004 year, 2005 year. So it doesn't matter. Your age could be 40, 41, 45, doesn't matter. But only thing is that you need to have an aim to come into IT industry and complete these two courses will take 45 days. 45 days means compulsorily these 2 months. So I'm talking about September and October. Complete it will take. So September, October 2022, you have to complete these two courses. These are completely by videos and practice them. These are live classes are going to start from so day after tomorrow. Am I clear? So the software and everything I'm going to be taking. So immediately you need to buy SQL Server videos from us along with the Power BI. The fees details and everything will be told after the third demo. So total 3 demos today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. we are going to be having 3 demos, and same meeting ID you can use, and you will be able to attend the demos. So the payment link and everything will be sent on the third day of the class, and the Monday you will be able to continue in the classes. Sunday we don't have any classes, so same meeting ID is going to be working. Am I clear? So September, October you have to plan for this, and so afterwards you have to compulsorily learn one more software, and all these are needed. Why it is needed, I will show you. One more software you have to learn. So that is also called as, it is from MSBA, and the software is called as SSIS. This is what is called ETL software. This is also one more software that you need to enroll. Not now, you have to enroll in the month of November, and this is also 25 days classes. Okay, you can enroll for a live batch, or you can also buy videos and you can practice. Clear? So apart from this you will be able to get data warehouse videos for free. This will be for 7 days. You have to know these will be given free. Okay, you have to enroll not now, in the month of November. Compulsorily you need to enroll for this MSBA SSIS, and as of now September, October, only you need to buy these videos and practice, and Power BI live classes there. In the month of November you have to plan for either live. If the live is not there, you need to buy. This is compulsorily, and along with the SSIS you will also get data warehousing for free. You need not make any payment for this. You need to make the payment. Okay, this is a paid course. You need to make the payments for this, and even SQL Server is a paid course. So if you wanted to, these are only video classes. This is again paid course. So 45 plus videos are going to be given. So you need to start from SQL basics. Daily one video. I told you 15 minutes watch, take the notes. You need to prepare the notes on your own. Case studies, assignments, completely I'm going to be giving it to you. The software also we're going to be installing on the 4th day. Monday when we meet, I'm going to be telling you, how to install the software. I'll give you all the softwares, and I will tell you how to install the softwares on Monday's class. So remember that. So without a laptop, we will not be able to understand. So let me tell you what is a laptop configuration if you wanted to have. So compulsorily laptop or desktop you need to have Windows, or 10 Pro or Windows 10, or I can recommend 11 Pro. I recommend. Many people will have Windows Home, but I will recommend Windows Pro. Clear? You can also upgrade Windows Home to Windows Pro by buying a license from Flipkart.com or Amazon.com. It will be from some 7 to 800 rupees. Many people will get home licenses, but I strongly recommend home. You can upgrade it to Pro. I will tell you how to upgrade. It will take only 10-20 minutes to upgrade. You have to pay some 800 rupees extra, buy one license and upgrade. If you have a 10, I strongly recommend you upgrade it to 11, and you can go to nearest hardware shop. You will be able to get it. And compulsorily you need to have MS Office. Compulsorily, you need to have what? MS Office 2007 version or later. Any version you can have compulsorily. Clear? And these are the softwares. You need to install PDF and WinZip. For the zipping purpose, we are going to be using nothing else. In this, I'm going to be giving you SQL Server latest. Latest means this is the latest version. I'm going to be giving it to you. When will I give? On Monday, I'm going to be sharing with you. So we will be able to install SQL Server 2019 along with Power BI. The software name is called Power BI Desktop. Clear? So these two things I'm going to be installing in your computers on Monday. So what is the hardware requirement? People may ask you, sir, what is the hardware configuration? Okay, software configuration 5. Any processor you can have, i3, i5, i4, any processor is fine. AMD processor is also fine. Any processor, minimum 4 GB RAM is required. Minimum 4 GB RAM is required. So if you have a 2 GB, fine, but I recommend 4 GB of RAM to be there. and minimum 100 GB of hard disk. Okay, so I strongly recommend a minimum if you have 128 GB of SSD. It is also hard disk. If you have this, it will be very, very fast whenever you start your computer. I strongly recommend 128 GB SSD. So it is just like a hard disk. You may have 1 TB of hard disk, but we don't need that much. I strongly recommend this if you have it. So otherwise, also fine. So this is the hardware configuration, and the softwares I'm going to be giving it to you in the Monday's class. Yeah, am I clear, guys? So these are the things that we have to understand. So why are we learning all of them? So if you go to the job portals, and let me open naukri.com. Let me go here. So this is a job portal in India. So you can have in abroad also. You can go to this job portal. Okay. And you look for Power BI jobs. Let me just go there and look for Power BI jobs. Okay. So many people do not know about it. Many people will say, if I learn 5 days of SQL Server, if I learn 20 days of Power BI, that is enough. 100% you will fail. 100% you will fail. 5 days SQL is not sufficient. Right? So there are many brokers who will say, I will give you a job, I will give you job opportunity, but end of the day, they are not going to be giving you proper knowledge. So I'll say, in my hometown, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, India, right? So this is what is my town, city. I want to search in this area how many jobs we have, right? So you can tell them that currently in India, in my location, there are 3025 jobs are available for Power BI. But the question, only Power BI do you need to learn? You need to learn a lot of other things, you see. So 2 to 4 years of experience you need as a Microsoft Power BI developer. They're asking SQL Server. Have you seen it? They're asking about a lot of other things. Have you seen this? So people will say you don't have jobs. So definitely you have jobs. People are saying nowadays no jobs. Jobs are available. Our students are able to crack. They are learning many skills. But people who are learning 20 days of Power BI and 5 days of SQL. So these people always will say no jobs. Why? And they don't learn any other skills in depth. These people always will give you a wrong information. Let me come down. Let me say what is that they're telling you. They're telling you ETL, Tableau, Power BI. ETL means I'm talking about SSIS. I spoken to you data warehousing and SSIS and SQL and Power BI. So these are the things the companies are asking. You remember and you try to go and work with that. So Power BI developer Tata Consultancy, M query, ETL, Excel knowledge, Excel even though you don't have in-depth knowledge, fine, but data modeling, DAX queries we are going to be dealing with. So Power BI, M query, ETL. See, only one skill means you will not be able to understand it. So Power BI, dashboard, SQL queries, right? So like that, people are giving ETL and Power BI. So cloud computing. So there is Azure Data Factory and SSAS also. You will be getting this course for free. I am also covering this. And Azure is similar to SSIS. What is SSIS? You will be learning tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And I will be talking about Azure Data Factory. What is this? It is a cloud computing ETL. What is a cloud also I will explain. So don't worry about it. So all these things the companies are asking. Clear? So when you go down, they're asking Azure, then they're asking OLAP, SQL, lot of things they're asking. But if you learn only SSRS, SSIS, data warehousing, Power BI, you see what are the skills they're asking and how many jobs they have. This is posted 15 days back. This is posted 1 day back. This is posted just 2 days back. And this is posted just 2 days back, 1 day back, 1 day back. So 5 days back, lot of jobs are available all over the world. If somebody says no calls, no jobs, if you learn only one Power BI software, 100% no jobs for you. Clear? So business intelligence means you need to learn multiple skills, not only one skill. Clear? So let us talk about what is a data and let us talk about what is business intelligence. Let us talk about what is data analytics, right? Let us talk about what is data science, what is called as artificial intelligence, or people will say machine learning, or they'll say deep learning, neural network, natural language processing. All these are synonyms. Okay, so what is a data? So when this question is asked to Microsoft, according to Microsoft, data means uh, currency today. That is the Microsoft abbreviation to the data. Okay, data is currency today. Data is next generation fuel. So data is what? According to Microsoft, data is a currency today. You have so much of a data. You're so rich in this world. How come WhatsApp is so rich in this world? How come Instagram is so rich? They're not doing any direct business to you. But how come they're very, very rich? They have your data. Right. So at least Amazon is selling your products so they can be rich in this world. But how come WhatsApp is so rich? Facebook is so rich. Instagram is so rich because they have your data. Even Google is also not selling anything to you directly to the end users. Clear? But still they have your data. They're very, very rich in this world. Am I clear? If you have so much of a data, you're so much of a rich in this world. But the same question asked to Google, what do you mean by data? Google says data is everything today. Whatever you think of data. So we are expecting driverless cars. We are expecting driverless cars. We are expecting 100% automation with the robots. We are expecting a lot of other things, completely automation, artificial intelligence because of data, data, data. Clear? Without data, IT industry also is not going to work. IT industry needs data. Clear? But the question is, what is the size of the data that you have it? Clear? What is the size of the data that you have it? That is what is the very, very important topic to understand. Clear? So business intelligence or data analytics, both of them are synonyms. Clear? I will tell you what is a data analytics. Then I will talk about the size and everything. Data analytics means or business intelligence means understanding past. Understanding the past is called as data analytics. Data analytics means understanding the past. Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales in last 5 years in America or in Europe. I wanted to know how the Apple iPhone is selling in India market or in African market, right? So they wanted to know last 5 years Christmas sales in Africa versus Christmas sales in India. The Amazon company wanted to know and which are the top five brands are selling high all over the world. So they wanted to understand always past data. Understanding the past is called as a data analytics, or it is also called as a reporting the past. So reporting the past is called as business intelligence or data analytics. What was your income? I was talking about your history. I'm not talking about the current salary. What would be your future, income? What would be your future, sales in India? So when I'm talking about the future predictions, that is what is called data science or data artificial intelligence. So future predictions. Clear. I wanted to know whether I will get a heart attack in next 5 years or not. I'm having a BP, I'm having a sugar, I'm a diabetic patient, I'm obesity. Now I wanted to know if the obesity rate is increasing every annum 2%, 3%, 2%, 3% more and more, more and more in India. The Indian government wanted to know how many people in the next 5 years may die because of obesity. The government of India wanted to predict the data today, so that prediction can be done with the help of a data science. Am I clear? So that is what is very, very important. Okay, so data science all about the predictions. Clear? Data analytics or the business intelligence or synonyms. It is all about understanding the past and reporting the past. How many people may get a heart attack because of obesity rate is now reached to 20% of in India, and how many people may get heart attack? How many people may get the diabetics next 5 years? How many people may get into a lot of kidney failures or lot of other issues, a lot of cancer diseases because of obesity rate is increasing? I wanted to predict. The predictions can be done with the help of a data science algorithm, artificial intelligence. It is also called as, earlier it is also called as a data mining. Okay, so data mining actually converted into a data science. Clear? So there were two things: data mining plus computer science. So data mining and computer science. So using these two technologies, voice not getting. Can you reconnect? What about others? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Others? Okay, fine, right? So I think you need to reconnect. So you need to reconnect. Muzab, please reconnect or use new phone, any other device. Am I clear? So this is what is called important. Now computer science, clear? So data mining. So data from here they have taken. So data mining data plus computer science, it has become a data science. Clear? So data mining syllabus plus computer science languages. So they have added, put together. You got a new course called data science. Clear? So computer science and data mining put together, it has become a data science. So data mining is going to be there for the predictions or understand the patterns. Clear? Lot of things will be there. Don't jump into data science, you will go mad, I'm telling about. So data, if you wanted to get into data analytics, learn SQL, learn a data warehousing concept, you will understand slowly. You have to know ETL concept, everything we'll be discussing in tomorrow's class. Then you need to learn Power BI or MS BI, blah blah blah. It will be completely 3 months course. Okay, it will be able to 3 months course, anybody can learn. This is very very easy and no coding at all, drag and drop softwares, all of them. Clear? But if you wanted to get into this one, these courses, so don't go for the YouTube channels. It is 18 months course. Okay, and the minimum fee you will be able to get below some 30K. You can learn all of them, right? But here minimum 3 to 5 lakhs is the fee you need to get if you wanted to get into these courses. Not simple thing, it is very very costly also. 3 lakhs to, I could see data science by SB 20 lakhs also. Clear? And it is very very costly, 18 months course. And you will not become a software engineer, so you will become a data scientist. Remember, scientist is not a engineer. Scientist means what? People who can do research, people who can understand the problem and they need to do the research and give the solution to that. So in this you are not a normal software engineer. So in this you will become a data analyst. Okay, data analyst, or you can become a software analyst, right? Software analyst you can become, or a software engineer. You're a software engineer, but you are not a software engineer or a data engineer. You become a data scientist. You have to know understanding of maths, and you have to know good understanding of the stats. Then only you can take data science. You cannot say data science is hot. I wanted to take data science because one of my friend told me to learn data science. You don't get a job, I'm telling you. It is very very tough, and don't go into data science. So simply some YouTuber is telling, some some Google is telling hot skill into the sexy skill in the in the entire industry. People will tell you, data science, that is good, but it is very complex to learn. You have to know very good mathematics. So you need to have good algorithms to understand. You have to do lot of paper and pen work, research skill you need to have. But in this, that is not required. Clear? Data analyst, software analyst, or you will be called as a software engineer, or you will be called as a BI developer. So these are the roles, or Power BI developer, or you can say ETL developer. All of them are completely a engineering activity. What is the engineering activity? We will discuss later, but this is very complicated one, and it is not a simple course. And if you go for the reputed institutions, you need to pay up to Nepal is offering 12 lakhs, and the other people are going for 20 lakhs, 18 lakhs, something like that. It is not very easy course. Don't jump into data science. If you wanted to go join this batch and learn the course and get into IT industry. You work for IT industry for 5-10 years. Then slowly you can jump into this. In the IT industry, after getting the job, you can jump into this. Data analytics, business intelligence are the free tools. Anybody can easily jump into that. Yeah, am I clear, guys? So this is what is the important thing I would like to share. Now, tomorrow when we come, I'll talk about, few more things. What is SQL? I'll be talking about. What is data? I'll tell you today, right? So tomorrow we'll talk about what is MSBI and what is Power BI. MSBI is called Microsoft Business Intelligence. It is a collection of three tools, right? So SSRS and SSIS and SSAS. So this is what is called ETL software. Tomorrow we'll discuss about what is the ETL software. You have to join without any delay with the same meeting and same time. We are going to be understanding tomorrow and what is a Power BI, and before that there is a software called Tableau. Okay, so what is a Tableau BI also we will understand. We will understand in depth of SQL and MSBI, what is a Tableau BI, what is a Power BI, what is a data warehousing. Everything we are going to understand in tomorrow's class. Don't miss. Microsoft released this software, data analytics software, in 2005, and after that in 2015 this got released. Clear? So Power BI is completely a reporting software. Remember, it is a reporting software. So you can create a lot of reports. You can create a lot of visualizations. For example, I have some data in Excel sheet, right? I have some data in Excel sheet. So let me show you some data in Excel sheet. So what is the data? I will say Power BI, let us say I got some $12,000, and SQL I got some $8,000 is the business. And I can say in MSBI I got some $9,000 is the business. Okay, this is what is called my sales. Show the sales in that table format. This is a table, right? So when you show the data in the table format, this is what is called as a reporting. Okay, what is a reporting? Reporting means show the data in the table format, or rows and columns format is called as a reporting. But what is a visualization? Visualization means show the data in the graphical manner. When you go to insert, go to columns, I will take like this. This is what is called visualization. This is what is called visualization. Anybody who does not know any Excel, they can easily create this kind of reports. Clear? Excel is a self-service BI. Self-service BI means no technical knowledge is required. You should be able to create a beautiful reports, beautiful visualization. This is what is called reporting and visualization. Okay, what is a visualization? Visualization means showing the data in the graphical manner. So visualizing the data means showing the data in the graphical manner with the help of a chart, graph, blah, blah, blah. Showing the data in the row and column is called as a reporting. Clear? So many people can create a beautiful reports with the help of Excel like that. Excel is completely what kind of a software, which is a self-service BI. We can also create SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services, is a reporting tool, but only technical people can create. Technical guys have to be recruited in the company. They can create a beautiful reports. Clear? But this was a story in 2005. So when the Tableau BA released by one more company, I think it got released in 2010, and it is what is called self-service BA. What is the meaning? No technical knowledge is required. Any MBA guy, any BCom guy, any 10th class guy, anybody without a technical knowledge, they will be able to create a beautiful visualizations with using this reporting software, Tableau BA. Clear? So because of this, Microsoft is having ETL tools, analysis tools, and reporting tool. This reporting tool is very, very complex, and only technical guys can create. So Microsoft is losing a lot of business. So immediately in 2015, Microsoft released Power BI software, where it is also called as a self-service BI. What is the meaning of self-service BI? You need not have any technical skills. It is similar to Excel. Similar to Excel, anybody can prepare a beautiful reports. You need not know any technical knowledge. So now from drag and drop software to completely from this is also drag and drop software, but more technical things are needed. You need to know SQL in depth and blah blah blah. But here nothing is required. If you have the data, you can create a beautiful reports and visualizations with the help of a Power BI reporting tool. And in 2015 it got released, and now it is number one self-service reporting tool. And afterwards the Tableau BI now we sent to the second position. Clear? Because of the brand, it is from the Microsoft brand, and Microsoft is having a lot of other things, and the Microsoft things completely known for its easy drag and drop and click and drag. Clear? And you need not have anything. Power BI is completely self-service BI, but MS BI is not a self-service BI. BI means, I told you, data analytics. You can understand the past. Clear? How the business is happening. When you take a State Bank of India or Netflix.com, you can take their data, then you can create a lot of reports. Clear? So instead of we creating reports in SSRS, so many people are going to be using Power BI. We use SSIS as a ETL software. We use SSAS as a this software, but we don't use SSRS. We are going to be using Power BI. So if you wanted to learn BI software, what are the things we are going to be learning? SQL, this you have to learn. SQL Server I'm talking about. This you have to learn by buying video. Plus we are also learning Power BI, and this will be for 45 days of videos you will be getting. You have to watch daily one video, and 45 classes of Power BI daily one where class will be there. Monday to Friday we will have classes. Saturday Sunday no classes at all, and again any other holidays means we are going to be holiday. Plus SQL Power BI, plus we are going to be learning SSIS compulsorily software. This is from MSBA. So this we are planning to learn not now in the month of November, as I told you. So this will be learned now. So SQL Server and Power BI. So these are the things you need to enroll now. Clear? So this is the first course. This is the second course. These are the videos will be given daily in the evening. You need to watch one video. Complete this within 45 days. Daily morning, 8 o'clock, you have to come attend the live class. If you have any questions for the SQL Server, you have to ask in the Power BI class next day morning. Am I clear? So that is what. And once it is done in the September and October. So September, October, we complete SQL Server and Power BI. November, you need to enroll for SSIS, and you will be able to get a data warehousing classes for free. This will be for 7-day classes, and you will be able to get SSAS also free. So SSAS also will be free. This will be for only 3-day classes, not much more important. This is also free. Am I clear? So this is a free, this is a free. This is what is called business intelligence learning. SQL Server, Power BI, SSIS, and data warehousing SSIS. So SSIS, SSAS, we are not going to be learning SSRS. And instead of this reporting tool, we are going to be learning Power BI. Power BI will be for 45 days. Am I clear? And this is what is called a third party tool to give a competition. Microsoft is released Power BI software in which year? Almost 7 years back. So MSBI almost 17 years back. So I started teaching in MSBA in 2005 itself. So I have approximately some 20 plus years of experience in the IT industry. I used to work in many companies like Accenture, the first company Unilever, then Accenture, then I was in Patni Computers, then Microsoft Hyderabad. So currently I'm not working anywhere. I'm passionate about the teaching. So I'm completely trainer. But when I get any architecting work or any consulting work, I'll be able to do that. But I am not a full-time developer now. But I have completely 20 years of IT industry. I used to work as a technical developer initially. I started my career in year 2000 in Bangalore. I was there in Bangalore for 10 years. Then last 12 years, I'm in Hyderabad, guys. Clear? So this is what is my story. And if you have any questions, you will be able to ask me now. And so tomorrow we'll continue with the same meeting ID. If you have any issues, so sometime break wise, you need to change the uh, device, I think, or network you need to increase. So BI means you need to learn all these skills, guys. Clear? So these forms I have given already in the chart window. Everybody has to fill these forms. So what is the advantage? Daily videos will be uploaded to you and you will be able to get the discounted price. Okay. So payment details will be given not today, after a third demo. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, free demos you need to attend with the same meeting ID. These forms everybody has to fill in. If you have any difficulties to filling the form, you can say hi to this WhatsApp and send your details. So your name, your email address, you can clearly mention that September 1st you have attended. So this everybody has to fill so that you will get the discounted price. And today's video and daily videos, daily Power BI videos will be given to you on the daily basis. All the 45 videos or 50 videos approximately you will be able to get. Make sure that you give the correct email ID and you also get the discounted fee details. Demo number 1, 2, 3. After three days, you will be able to get the fee details. Discounted fee will be given when you fill the form only. So this form you need to fill in the WhatsApp. You need to go to WhatsApp, copy paste it there and use it. And this you can fill it up in the normal browser. You can go to some browser, you will be able to fill this form. Clear? And if you don't fill this, you are not eligible for discounted fee. And these are the other courses we are supporting for the job support and everything. If you need any support, you can touch with us. And these are the mail IDs you will be able to get. You can call the people. And if you have any question, you can also mail me directly your phone number. I can talk to you if you have any question, or if you wanted to talk to me directly, bhaskarjogi@gmail.com or goonline.bhaskar.com. You can mail me your phone number. I can talk to you. So, right? So I can give you clarifications one to one, right? So that is one request, and anybody can get into IT industry. Anyone can learn this course. Hot skill to get the jobs in IT industry. High salaries paid. No coding required. 45 hours daily, 1 hour. Monday to Friday will have classes. Indian standard timings I'm talking about. Daily recorded videos are shared. Real-time topics are going to be discussed. Sample CVs we are going to be including. CV preparation guidance is given. Online lab support will be given. Interview questions are discussed. Placement assistance and support across India will be given. And we are going to be giving you one free project also included. One free project also included in this. You should not be worried about it. Right? So who can do this project? Any graduate, any non-IT, people who do not have the proper incomes. If you're coming from non-IT, 20, 30,000 rupees Indian currency is useless, right? So many people are going to be losing the jobs as well because of artificial intelligence. Many sales people are going to be losing jobs. Many operations guys are going to be losing jobs next 2 to 3 years. That time you cannot say what are the new technologies. That time you cannot wake up and say what are the new things, because I'm telling you, because of artificial intelligence, BPO industry is going to be shutting down. Even automation everywhere, automation to the factories, industries, operations, sales, even teaching field also, lot of things are getting automated. Definitely lot of opportunities in IT industry. In IT industry, no coding is required. 20 years back, you have to know coding. Today, for each and everything, there is a software automatically drag and drop softwares are available. You can easily jump into the IT industry today. You should not be worried about IT industry or the coding. Only you should not go to the brokers. You should not go to the consultants. People who are going to be, cheating like anything. They will take your money. They don't teach you. They will say 20 days Power BI, 5 days of SQL are enough. I have given you training for many people and they got the jobs. You ask him, he will tell you the difficulties in the field. Clear? So don't go into the brokers and don't go into the proper mentors, proper gurus and proper teachers, and learn the courses slowly. Only 45 days, 2 months time it is going to be taking the SQL Server. Without SQL Server knowledge, you will not be able to go into IT industry. If somebody says, my brother told me not to learn this, my friend told me not to learn this, my friend told me this is not good, that is not good, this is not good. If you learn a single tool, that is not good. If you learn only Power BI, that is not good. You have to learn combinations. Power BI is alone, you don't have calls, I'm telling you. If you learn only Power BI without SQL Server, without SSIS, no calls at all. Many people are also telling you the same thing. You have to learn multiple skills and a minimum 3 months of time required. Clear? You can have any year passed out, 2005 passed out, 2010 passed out, doesn't matter. 10 years of sales history, 10 years of teaching field, housewife, gap, nothing to worry. I will be able to help you each and everything slowly. You have to concentrate on the subject. Want to follow my mentoring, follow my proper teaching. I'm going to be teaching from very low level to advanced level. Clear? So anybody can come into any year passed out. Don't ask me, sir, I'm 2008 passed out. Any year passed out. 2002 passed out. Open University guys, diploma guys are able to crack the interviews. Now one guy, 2006 journalism he has done. His name is Kishore. He got into now a company called I think Cap Gemini with I think 10-12 lakhs of salary package in India. Almost 1 year back he went into that. One more name is called Chari. His Open University BA passed out in 2004. That guy got 4 to 5 offer letters and the latest offer from L&T Infotech with 14 lakhs of salary package, right? So companies you do not have the good people to have recruit. So many people are nowadays getting recruited. So many non-IT people are coming into IT industry. With our teaching and assignments and project work, you can easily keep 4 to 5 years of experience, no doubt at all. But you need to have minimum 3 months of time. September, October, November, you have to have the time to complete the course, and end of the November we'll be dealing with CV preparation, CV review, project explanation, project review, everything will be done. So you should not be worried about it. Yeah, am I clear? So these are the courses that we're going to be learning, and okay, so we are going to be learning what are the courses. So these are the courses we are going to be learning September and October. Only you need to concentrate on these two subjects, SQL Server and Power BI, 2 months. And this will be in the month of November. In the month of November only, I'll be talking about all these things. Am I clear? So you need to make the payment only for these two courses now. Okay, only for SQL Server video classes and the Power BI classes also we have. Telugu classes also we have. You can attend English batch now, but if you need videos of Telugu, you can have that. So next we will have data warehousing and SSIS, and we'll talk about Azure also later. If you wanted to learn Azure, Azure is a cloud. What is a cloud and everything we'll discuss later, that we can plan for November. So in the end of the November, you will have CV, interview preparation documents, blah, blah, blah. So this is what is the completely 3 months. So if you don't have a time, what I can do, I can tell you, we don't have evening classes, we don't have weekend classes. I can give you previous recorded videos, previous batch we recorded videos. If you don't have a time, you can buy those videos, prepare on your own. If you have any doubt, you can just give me your doubts in the bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. So that is what you can do. Clear, guys? So tomorrow we are going to be meeting with the same meeting ID, same thing. And tomorrow we'll have a free demo, September to second demo, and September 3rd will be the last demo. And after the third demo, you will be able to get the payment and details. It will be very, very cheaper. Don't worry about it. You can make the payments installments. And Monday, we will have a installation of softwares and everything. I have given you all these details. And if you have any questions, you can mail me, or you can talk to me, or you can talk to these people as well. Chalo, guys. And I will send you today's recorded video as well. Tomorrow we are going to discuss in depth of technical content. Am I clear? Thank you, guys. Bye bye. If you have any questions, we don't have any other timings, Gopinath. We have 8 to 9, and this the same batch next month will change to 7 to 8. Clear? So this month, if you at least cooperate, if you're not able to attend, just take daily video and watch it in the evening. Daily, watch it in the evening. If you have any questions, Saturday and Sunday, you can come online. You can have a chat with me. You can complete the doubts. Clear? So that is also one more thing. We do not have any weekend batch. Clear? So you can buy the videos and practice them. You will be able to complete the course. And that's it. We have morning 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. These two timings we have as of now for Power BI. Chalo, guys.